Today, we're finding out what actually makes girls attracted to guys. And I'm not talking about fake tips you see on TikTok. We tested confidence, humor, kindness, and even the worst advice ever to find the truth. And the results might actually shock you. By the end of this video, you'll know the 9 secrets that can change your entire vibe. Let's get started. First, confidence. Girls notice it immediately. We tested it. One guy walked into a room slouched, no eye contact, nobody noticed. Then he came back with good posture, head up, smiling, and suddenly everyone looked at him. Confidence doesn't cost money. It's just body language. Stand tall, look people in the eye, and boom, you're already more attractive. Next, humor. We asked 10 girls, what's the first thing you notice in a guy? Over half said, if he makes me laugh. Think about it. When you make someone laugh, you instantly break the awkward wall. Pro tip, don't force jokes. Tell funny stories, laugh at yourself, and keep the vibe light. If you can make her smile, you're unforgettable. This one's underrated. Kindness. We literally did an experiment where one guy acted cocky and dismissive, and another guy just listened, smiled, and treated people politely. Guess who girls found more attractive? Spoiler alert, it wasn't Mr. Rude. Being respectful doesn't just work with girls, it makes everyone want to be around you. Here's the truth. No girl has ever said, wow, I fell in love because of his amazing texts. Texts are fine, but real connections happen face to face. So instead of sending a wall of emojis, invite her to do something fun. Go play basketball, grab ice cream, hang out with friends. Real memories, text messages. Here's a secret hack. Having your own passion makes you 10x more attractive. We tested this too. 2 guys, one who only said, I don't really do much, and one who talked about his music, sports, and goals. Guess who girls wanted to talk to longer? Passion is magnetic. Work on yourself first, and the right people will naturally come closer. Okay, pay attention because this is gold. Here are the top 3 signs a girl might like you. She laughs at your jokes, even when they're not funny. She remembers tiny details you said days ago. She finds reasons to talk or hang out with you. If you're seeing these signs, you're probably not just a friend. Now, for the brutal honesty. Here's what kills attraction: being too needy, flexing money, shoes, or fake status. Copy-pasting cheesy pickup lines. Trust me, these are instant turnoffs. Remember, chasing too hard makes people run away. Chill and let things flow. Want an instant upgrade? Fix your style. You don't need expensive clothes, just clean, fitted, and fresh. Add a haircut, basic skincare, and boom, you glow up without even trying. Girls notice when you take care of yourself. It's not about looking perfect, it's about showing effort. And here's the final truth. The right girl will like you for you. Not the fake version, not the flex version, the real version. Your vibe attracts your tribe. So stop trying to be someone else, because your authenticity is your biggest superpower. So those are the 9 proven steps to attracting girls as a teen, and they actually work. Confidence, humor, kindness, passion, authenticity, that's the real formula. If you're ready to level up your vibe, smash that like button, subscribe to Vibe Alarm, and drop a comment telling us which tip hit you the most. And remember, raise your vibe, and the right people will vibe with you.